What is up, guys? So got a special surprise today. We ordered something super cool. That candle scared me. I got a candle lighting over there and it's going crazy.
Yeah, I'm
so,
my clothes.
Huh?
It's beside my clothes.
Well, there's nowhere else to put. Okay guys, so in this box we have something crazy. I don't know if you guys are ready for it. Oh wow, my camera would be dying soon. So we're gonna make this quick. So, I've been watching lots of videos, shipment stuff. Oh, okay, well, her way.
What's the side of the box?
Oh, I was just looking. But, I was watching a lot of videos and stuff, and we have a lot of stuff to do before we can fly. But this is it. Oh my gosh, it's pretty heavy. We got a Mavic Pro drone. Oh man, and that's a special Christmas gift. What that came with it.
Accessory.
Alright, let's open this bad boy up. However it opens. Open with a knife. Huh? Okay. Ooh, got this side open. Oh my gosh, it looks beautiful. Look at that. Bam. So we got the little controller. Oh, it's bigger. It's bigger than like the videos in a sense. Huh?
Like your camera.
With the camera? Oh. I guess I'll pick it up. Bam. That's it. It's pretty big. And the controller, super nice as well. The cat's down here playing with the box. Huh? Skins.
Stickers?
Skins, not stickers.
Stickers.
They're better than stickers. They're
Stickers.
to go onto it.
Stickers.
Yes.
Stickers.
Not stickers.
Stickers.
Here's the controller. It feels really nice. I really like it. It's small, but it kind of has some weight to it. Feels like a video game, but it feels sturdy. Like it feels nice. Gosh. I'm gonna pick up the drone itself. Oof. This thing is heavy compared to this little toy one that I have.
Stickers?
Turn on and off power. Yes, stickers. Everything is stickers.
Stickers. You put on stickers?
Yeah, probably. I don't know what that is. This guy is huge. I don't think it's plastic. I love how the legs fold out.
Oh, even a landing pad.
Uh-huh, yeah.
Oh, that's what this thing is.
Bam. This thing does not feel like it. This is metal or something. It's sturdy. So if I crash, I'm probably gonna break other things, but this guy's gonna be fine. Oh man, this thing is huge. Yeah.
Where's the rest?
The propellers? I think they're right here. We got a bunch of setting up to do. Yeah, they're right here. They gave me extra sets, I think. If they're all the same propellers. Yeah. Hey, what did you pull? What? Okay, just make. Oh, just leave it though, cause I don't know if it says something. Just turn off and turn on.
Turn on, off the power.
Okay, that's it. Okay then.
It's nothing important,
Okay.
so don't worry.
Okay.
Oh my gosh. It also says it
Bam.
in different languages if you want to read it.
Oh, okay. Thank you. I like knowing different languages. Let's put these other two on it somehow. So they just clip it. Do they spin?
Maybe you should read a manual. Oh, how you did the other ones.
Yep. We'll get to it. Okay, well, we're gonna watch some stuff and figure some stuff out. What is up, guys? Okay, so we finally got it fully calibrated and everything. It took a minute. Who cares? There's also probably wind noise, all kinds of other things. It's really cold out here to get this video for you guys, but I also want to play with it too. But I played with it a little bit last night, but it took a while to update, and by the time it finished updating, it was sunset. Quality was not good and everything, so now we're going to play with it some more. I figured out the buttons and everything, got the app downloaded. It's a really cool app. I don't know why it has 2 stars on the app store, But here it is, guys, on the ground. It's beautiful. And we're gonna begin takeoff. Okay, so I have it on beginner mode, so it takes off and lands on its own with just my assistance. It's crazy. So all I do is hit a button and it says takeoff, slide to takeoff, and it starts itself up and hovers. So this thing really flies itself. Like, I have no hands on nothing. That is just crazy. It's so cool. And it has all these controls to work it without you. And it flies super far, super fast, super high. Everything. Oh my god. There it goes. Oh man, this thing flies so fast. And yet we can still see it right here on the screen. Trying to figure out how to move. Oh, there we go. So it's looking down, get low to the ground. There's a record button on the phone and also on the controller. We can also take pictures, but we're gonna get super low. We're gonna start recording. Oh man, actually hit the wrong button. There we go. So we're flying it off. That's so cool. And we're gonna look back at ourselves. And we're coming. And there it is up there coming back. It's crazy how steady it is, because I'm flying all over the place, but yet the picture is like super steady. Oh, I gotta learn how to fly backwards. And bam, guys, this thing is awesome. I'd highly recommend it. I don't really have much else to say other than I'm going to try to bring you some really cool clips and everything. So be ready for some kind of montage that ends this video, but it's probably going to happen now. So like and subscribe, guys. See you guys later. Shout out to my Riffey truffles and peace.
Laying on the floor in the doorway, looking at these pictures, nothing left to say. We were meant to grow old, now these feelings take hold. Are we ever gonna be okay again?